All right, welcome back to the shop. What I have for you today is that window switch, that master window switch from the 1998 Chevy Malibu. And once you pull it apart, it takes a few seconds, start popping off buttons on here and stuff like that. You can see it's very evident what is going on here. Now you can see the rest of the switch, the rear windows and the passenger front look like brand new. There's a little bit of wear on the passenger front here. The rest of the switch looks good, no corrosion back here. One touch down relay is not melted. Lockout switch works just fine. It's just the burnt contacts on the driver's side window that are so bad, it's not allowing current to flow. Now what they have in here is this clear plastic toggle right here, okay? And there's like these little bimetal strips right here that pop whenever you press the button inside of there to transfer current. Now the reason why these ones right here are like brand new, even on the driver's side one, is because these are the current flow circuits when the switch is at rest. Whenever it's at rest, these actually flow through to it. So that's no big deal. There's no load at rest on there. And that's the same thing for the other windows on here. So if these are at rest, the other people in the car that are at their windows, they can actually operate them because the current flows through here. That's why I said make sure current flows into this first, because it does go to the rest of the windows on the vehicle as far as a power window diagnostic tip there. So the reason why this is happening is it's getting used so much on the driver's side. It arcs every time it makes contact with either one of these, and therefore it's going to break down the metal every time it gets used, the electrical arc. Now after a while, the pressure on there is not so great anymore, and therefore the arcing increases and the wear just accelerates from there. So I'll try to show you on this passenger side front one what I mean. It's a little hard to press on here, but what happens is we're pressing down on this switch, and I believe it's this one that gets actuated via the center circuit right there, okay? So that's gonna have that arc of current for as much as that window motor takes. So you can see it going down there on that side, and the other side here is not affected at all. So that's arcing every time. That one contact point is arcing every time. The center part here right there is always in contact, so it's not going to really arc out and have a problem. It's just the one point of contact on there. Same thing for up, so the other side right here will be arcing. So that is why they wear out over time. Now in reality, should these little contact points be bigger for longer, better longevity? Well, it's been 1998 and it just finally went out, so I say that's pretty darn good. But that is what's going on inside of here, and it is common, like I said, on the Fords, GMs, and Chryslers. So be on the lookout for it before you start changing out that window motor. Do that quick test like I showed in the other video, where you tap on it really hard to try to get these contacts working for a minute second, and you see that window drop, and you're like, you confirm it right there. There's power flow, and it's just a switch that's failing.